People in northern China have used this clever trick for generations to survive the deep freeze. It starts by floating a weighted bowl on top of a massive drum of water just before the sun goes down. By morning, the sub-zero air has turned the surface into a solid sheet, but there's a secret hidden underneath. After removing the bowl, they carve a precise opening to drain the liquid core, leaving behind a perfectly hollow shell. A splash of boiling water releases the mold, and a quick shave with a blade makes the walls crystal clear. It isn't just for show, this creates a natural, predator-proof safe that keeps meat fresh and frozen for months at a time.